If you want to create changes with massage and Gua Sha and even your new face tool, this is the video for you. Hey everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. You can visit us at peachesskincare.com, where you can download our prescription sheet that shows the regimen that I have taught my clients for decades, almost 4 decades in my holistic skincare salons. I have 3. You can also visit us on Instagram, Facebook, and now I'm on TikTok doing my best. I am a holistic master esthetician of almost 40 years. I teach beauty, aging, and healing the skin naturally. I have no foundation and concealer on, and I actually just did a video that will either be, hopefully before this, could be after this, on just showing you the steps I do in the morning to remove those layers of callus that really make our skin look dull. Think of a snake, and many times make wrinkles look deeper, dark spots look worse, and even scar tissue. People don't realize they can soften that. But a lot of my peaches and a lot of you out there have asked, what do I do at the end of the day? So I do my whole PM routine, and then I put on my serums. So I do vitamin C. I'll just go ahead and put that on for you. Our vitamin C, you can see it. You know it hasn't oxidized. It has gold in it. We use gold, which is an incredible antioxidant, to keep it from oxidizing, and it remains stable. And it smells like orange juice. This is the kind of vitamin C you want to use. And you only need a little bit. Now, if I get stuff on my eyes or there's something in my nose, just ignore it. So I put on my vitamin C. If you're a peach, I've just done my AM routine. I've sprayed my face with ACV toner. I've put on pH toner. And if it's at night, I might put on some Persigel, or some of you might be using Monistat. Monistat 7 is for fungus and a little bacteria. Persigel by Clean & Clear is for active acne. I do my vitamin C. I then will put on my Luminous, or I may put on my Ageless night serum, which is retinol. We'll just do Luminous right now. Again, a very small amount. You want to work it all over your face. Your skin is drinking this in. And when you're using one product from one line, and you can pick what you want. Yes, I can guarantee Peaches will do amazing things, but you want to pick a family of products. The chemist makes sure when they mix things, I've worked with my chemist for almost 40 years, that they work together. They're not going to cause a chemical reaction. I have people reach out to me and they'll say, Lisa, I'm doing this, this, and this from Peaches, but then I'm using my other moisturizer, but my skin's breaking out, or I'm having issues. It's because that other moisturizer may be mass-produced and have elements that are not as healthy for your skin, and they are causing a reaction with something that is natural. That's why in the beginning I ask you to only do Peaches, no foundation and concealer, and skip the sunscreen for just a couple weeks, okay? The next thing I do after that is I do put on my eye cream. I absolutely believe in eye cream. I'm amazed at people who don't. They don't know what they're talking about. I use a tiny bit with my ring fingers because those are the most gentle. And I'm just going to work them around. Now, if I put an eye gel on, either a Karuna or a Dermatology brightening eye gel, I will have put that on already while I did my eyeliner, but I always put on my eye cream. If you feel swelling, or if you feel like your eyes look a little red, it's because you're getting that blood flowing. And blood flow creates oxygenation of skin cells and therefore creates collagen at any age. Now I'm going to use my moisturizer. Now remember, this is at night. I do moisturizer AM and PM. This is our big jar, and that's because I also love to use this on our bodies. Our moisturizer is something that changes your skin at a cellular level. It really not only moisturizes, but it's a treatment, if you will, and it helps to heal the skin with Go-To Cola and elements that are incredibly feeding to the skin. I always make sure to get it really massaged, and then I go downstairs, and in front of the television, this is when I do my massaging. I will do my new face now. I do not use the new face gels because I think they are a bit of a money grab. You can just use your serums like I just did and your moisturizer. and you'll just work this around your face. I typically like to start from the bottom and work up. I don't always wait for the beeps. I have been doing microcurrent for almost 35 years in our salons professionally with gloves. And so when I learned microcurrent, it was something that was very new, but what people don't realize is they have used microcurrent in physical therapy since the 40s. And microcurrent is used for athletes that can't do medication or can't take certain pills. It can be used after an injury or after surgery to heal the area. We have 42 muscles in our face, and microcurrent helps to work those 42 muscles, 43 with our neck, and there's really no one that can't use it. They do say diabetics, but I have used it on diabetic patients and they have done well. Their doctors allow it. And we have helped so many cancer patients. And even through the years, we've had a few women with Bell's palsy, and we have absolutely been able to change the muscle. I've heard some controversy about NuFace on a couple channels. I think if you want to check with your doctor, you can, but it's not going to hurt your heart. I've had gynecologists tell my pregnant clients that you're not doing it on the stomach. It's absolutely fine if you're just doing it on your face. But what you're doing is you're lifting. You're getting right under those muscles, okay? So that's when I do my NuFace. Now I will apply an oil. Bergamot, vitamin E, olive oil. These are very healing properties. I use a drop and I just put that on my face like so. I pat it. If you want to put it on your hands, you can. And then I'll use this fun little tool that I got at Nordstrom's. It's called Otisite. And I'll start with this just to do the pressure points. And I'll get that blood flowing. And you should be able to see where I'm getting the blood flowing. You want to drain things, work it down. You can start at the bottom of your face if you'd like. Sometimes I'll start on my forehead if I have a little bit of a headache, and it's amazing how it just goes away. And you're just hitting different pressure points and moving up. And that's what I will do with this. Now I go on to my Gua Sha. You can get Gua Shas anywhere. I do love this company called Wilding. I'll be showing you another thing in a minute from them. And you just work the Gua Sha around your face. Get to the pressure points, and I kind of hit it 3 times. So I'll shake it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Really get under that bone. A lot of people will say not to use a hard, firm touch with Gua Sha, but when I get under the bone, I do, and then I go light. Under the bone and light. I think the only thing I don't love about the different Gua Sha videos I see out there is they're 20-year-olds, and you think to yourself, well, they're not really they're creating change in their skin. It's wonderful to learn early, but I wish that they would show more mature women and just the incredible results that we can get from Gua Sha. And you will just work up your face. Now I have a Gua Sha video, so that's why I'm not showing you it now. Wilding has a wonderful Gua Sha, and I also use their cupping device. And I will take that and I'll just do the cupping as well. And it just gets that blood flowing. I'm going to say it again. Blood flow creates oxygenation of skin cells and therefore creates collagen. Getting your skin oxygenated, working the muscles of your face is everything for healthy skin. You don't need injectables. You don't need to botch your face by cutting into it and changing who you are. Just get that blood flowing. Now, after I do that, I will get right under my cheeks. I have a video on this as well. And I'll just start to do the different massages that I've taught you, getting that blood flowing. Now, I would say that in front of the television, this takes me about 15 to 20 minutes, and it's worth it. Do you see how the blood's flowing? It creates oxygenation, it heals your skin, but it takes time, patience, and consistency. I do this every night. I enjoy it. It's something that I like to do for myself. You can get the blood flowing on your arms, everywhere else, but really take care of that skin on your face, and you will not have to do anything crazy. And a lot of those things that you do, injecting, cutting into your face, I'm here for you. I am here to guide you and encourage you not to do those things, because inevitably your skin just goes right back to where where it was. I hope you loved this. I hope it answered some of the questions a lot of you have had. Ask anything with love and kindness below. Forgive me if I haven't done a video you've asked for. I'm here to help you, and I hope that you uncover your true beauty and uncover confidence.